Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the science behind one of the most common skin issues, acne. Have you ever wondered how those pesky pimples form on your face? Stick around as we break down the process step by step. Segment 1, the basics of acne. Before we delve into the details, let's get a quick refresher on what acne is. Acne, often called pimples, is a skin condition that occurs when hair follicles, the tiny openings in your skin, get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Segment 2, the formation process. Here's how it all goes down. 1. Sebum production. Sebaceous glands produce an oily substance called sebum, which helps keep your skin moisturized. 1. But excess sebum production can lead to trouble. 2. Dead skin cells. As your skin naturally sheds dead skin cells, sometimes they mix with excess sebum, creating a blockage within a hair follicle. 3. Bacterial growth. Bacteria known as Propionibacterium acnes are normally present on the skin. 3. When the hair follicle is clogged, these bacteria thrive and multiply. 4. Inflammation. The immune system kicks in, sending white blood cells to the clogged follicle. 4. This leads to inflammation, redness, swelling, and even pus formation. Segment 3, types of pimples. Acne comes in various forms, each with its own characteristics. 1. Whiteheads. These stay beneath the skin's surface, appearing as small white bumps. 2. Blackheads. When the clog reaches the surface and comes into contact with air, it oxidizes and turns dark. 3. Pustules. These are the classic pimples, with a white or yellow center, surrounded by redness. 4. Papules. Small, red, and inflamed bumps without a visible center of pus. 5. Cysts. Deeper and often painful pimples filled with pus that can leave scars if not treated properly. Segment 4, factors behind acne. Several factors contribute to the development of acne. 1. Hormonal changes. Adolescents experience hormonal fluctuations during puberty that can increase sebum production. 2. Genetics. If it runs in the family, you might be more prone to acne. 3. Diet. Some research suggests that high glycemic diets could contribute to acne in some individuals. 4. Stress. Stress triggers hormonal changes that affect sebum production. 5. Skincare and makeup. Using heavy products or not removing makeup properly can clog pores. 6. Environmental factors. Pollution and humidity also play a role. Segment 5, prevention and treatment. To keep acne at bay, consider 1. Skincare. Use non-comedogenic products and cleanse regularly. 2. Diet. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 3. Stress management. Practice stress relief techniques like exercise and meditation. 4. Consulting a dermatologist. If acne is severe, seek professional guidance. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the ins and outs of how pimples form on your face. Remember, a good skincare routine and healthy lifestyle choices can make a significant difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more skincare insights. Thanks for watching.